What is a line of credit? Welcome to today's video. Ever heard of a line of credit? Or LOC? But not sure how it works? Let's break it down simply. A line of credit is a flexible loan from a bank or lender that gives you access to a set amount of money, and you only pay interest on what you use. How does a line of credit work? Think of it like a credit card. You are approved for a maximum limit. You can borrow from it, repay it, and borrow again, as long as you don't exceed your limit. It's revolving credit, not a one-time loan. Types of lines of credit. First, personal LOC for everyday expenses or emergencies. Second, home equity LOC secured against your house. Third, business LOC helps with business cash flow. Fourth, credit card, a common form of revolving credit. Key features. Flexible borrowing. Interest only on the amount used. But remember, there may be fees or annual charges. Interest rates can be variable. When to use a line of credit? When you need short-term funding. You want flexibility versus a lump sum loan. You are covering home renovations, emergencies, or managing cash flow. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: access funds as needed. Lower interest than credit cards. Pay interest only on what you use. Disadvantages: temptation to overspend. Possible fees and variable rates. Can hurt credit if misused. A line of credit can be a smart financial tool if used wisely. Invest with Divadvik. Download our app.
Disclaimer. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. Divadvik Corporate Services Private Limited are not liable or responsible for any of your investors' profit or loss in market-related securities investments.